Ever pondered the magic of homemade shampoo? The allure of crafting a hair care product tailored to your very own needs is indeed captivating. Today we delve into the world of DIY shampoo, exploring the simplicity of the process and the numerous benefits it brings along. Imagine this: a shampoo that nourishes your hair with natural oils, softens it with the richness of coconut milk, and invigorates your senses with your favorite essential oils. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, the good news is that this dream can be a reality, and making it requires just a few ingredients and a bit of your time. You'll need a quarter cup of coconut milk, which is the secret ingredient that softens and adds natural oils to your hair. Some people have found that homemade coconut milk works better than canned, so feel free to experiment to see what suits your hair best. Next, you'll need a quarter cup of liquid castile soap. This acts as the base of your shampoo, providing the cleansing properties. To add a touch of fragrance and additional benefits, you can incorporate about 20 drops of essential oils. Some popular options include peppermint, lavender, rosemary, and orange, but you're free to choose any that appeal to you. Let's talk about the benefits of each of these essential oils. Adding a few drops of essential oils adds more than just a nice scent. They can also improve scalp and hair health to help thicken hair, prevent breakage, and combat dandruff. Tea tree oil, useful for dandruff and itchy scalp, also treats head lice. Rosemary reduces scalp itchiness and flakes, restores hair's natural oil balance, and can help prevent split ends. Lavender studies show it increases the number of hair follicles for better hair growth. Peppermint increases hair growth, thickness, and length, and deepens hair follicles for stronger hair. If your hair is on the drier side, consider adding a carrier oil. Olive oil usually does the trick, but castor oil, avocado oil, or jojoba oil can also work wonders. Castor oil even has the added benefit of promoting hair growth. Now, let's transform these ingredients into your very own homemade shampoo. First, combine all the ingredients in a bottle or jar. You can use a pump soap dispenser or even a foaming dispenser for this. If using a foaming dispenser, you may need to add a quarter cup of distilled water. Give it a good shake to mix all the ingredients together. Remember to shake it before each use, then massage it through your scalp. To ensure longevity, store your shampoo in the fridge after each use. So, why go through the process of making your own shampoo? For one, it offers a cost-effective solution to hair care, allowing you to save money without compromising on quality. Moreover, it gives you complete control over what goes into your hair product, ensuring that it's free from harsh chemicals, unhealthy preservatives, and artificial fragrances, and tailored to your specific needs. And of course, there's the satisfaction of creating something from scratch using your own hands. In summary, making homemade shampoo is an easy and rewarding process. It requires only a handful of ingredients and offers numerous benefits, from cost savings to personalized hair care. So next time you're about to reach for that store-bought shampoo, remember, you have the power to create your own. Happy shampoo making! If you have tried it, we would like to hear from you by leaving a message in the comments section. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.